Good morning. Welcome to Lona Vista Hotel. I may assist you today. This way, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Sir, welcome to Lona Vista Hotel. How may I assist you today? I have a reservation under the name of Isabel Santos. Oh, wait a second. Isabel Santos. Congratulations, Miss Isabel. Your room has been upgraded to presidential suite and it's free of charge. What? Are you serious? Yes, it's our special gift for you. I can't believe this is happening. Wow.
Can I take your luggage, ma'am and sir? Yes. Please follow me to your seat. You're going to love it.
I can't believe this is happening. Just say the best is yet to come. What do you mean by that? We'll see. Here. Wow, I didn't expect this. Happy birthday, Miss Isabel. Happy birthday, Miss Isabel. The work with your friend just prepared for you. You know, it was a regular gift, but no, this is your special day. Wow, I can't believe this is happening. This is the best surprise ever.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you, everyone.
Oh my God, you're the best. I can't believe we can stay here. This is the best service.
This really feels like a once in a lifetime experience.
That's perfect room for us. We can enjoy it. Oh my gosh, this is my first study room. And it looks so big.
We can spend time here to enjoy our night.
Hello, can I ask what time our check-out time tomorrow? Oh yes, ma'am. Our standard check-out time is 12 noon, Miss Isabel. But since you're staying in presidential suite, we arrange the complimentary late check-out, and you can check out 2 p.m. and you can relax in your room. Have a great day, ma'am. Enjoy your day. Wow, that's so thoughtful. Thank you for letting us stay a little longer. Welcome.
Yes, ma'am. And if you need assistance with your luggage during check-out, please call front desk. We'll be happy to help.
Perfect. This is getting better. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for choosing this hotel. We hope this surprise will your stay more special. Thank you. Thank you so much. I will never forget this day. This is my card. Have a nice day, ma'am. We hope you will be back soon.
Good morning, activity. Continue good morning. Welcome to Amin and Chef. Good morning naman. Tapos, baka na yung display to front desk. Tapos, makakwa. Tapos, makakwa.